What's up, everybody? It's me, Mike Myers, H2O, coming at you with another video and bringing you another unboxing video. And no, it's not real haunted items. It's a different one actually. It's I got a couple of these off by this business. And it's called House of Horrors. So shout out to House of Horrors. Um, they sell these on eBay. And yeah, they're a good price. Some of them are, most of them are, but but yeah, they they have this team that goes to that haunted place, and um, they make a postcard about the place and stuff. It's got pictures, got a picture of the place and stuff like that, and on it it'll be the information about the history of that place, and it's in a nice frame. The Waverly Hills one, I did a video on it, and the Bell Witch Cave, which is a rock from the actual cave. Um, so this is another one. I've been wanting to do unboxing. Should have done with those. I wish I did, but oh well. It is what it is. But let's do it with this one. So if you guys enjoy these unboxings, I try to make them entertaining. Um, yeah, I just really these type of videos are fun. Especially the paranormal ones. I mean, some other stuff too. There we go. And you get a certificate too to let you know it's a real antique relic. So this is the certificate. So right here, EDA authentic. That means so that means it's proven it's actually it's real. That's all that means. So this was October 23rd, 2021. So, and the ultimate finale on which one it is. It is glass. All these are glass. So. Oh shit. Damn. Well, kind of upsetting, but it broke. I can glue it back on though. Anyway, it's the Conjuring house. Yep. Conjuring house, actual soil. Obviously this lid probably comes off, but it's actual dirt. It's part of the land of the property of the Conjuring house. Conjuring house, one of the most haunted places, one of the most haunted houses, if not the most haunted house in North America. So, but anyways, I can glue this back on. It's no problem. But, yep. So that's the Conjuring house. Don't say too much information on here. Some of them don't. But it's all about this, right? I'm gonna try to glue it back on there. But yep, Conjuring relic soil, picture frame of the house and everything. So that's what I'm gonna use that with my documentary. That's what I do with these. I make documentaries / investigations. That's what I like to do with these, and to see if anything, if this is haunted soil. So that's what I do with Waverly Hills, and that's what I do with the Bell Witch Cave, which is I actually got the spirit of Katie Bell, John Bell's daughter, on that. So check that out. I'll link both of them videos, the Waverly Hills and the Bell Witch Cave, in the description below. And here's the certificate again. Go with it. So it's a shame I actually broke it off with me being too rough with it. But it just, I don't know, them things are pain in the ass to open, but oh well. So anyways, that's all I have. The unboxing. I have one more real haunted items that's still, it's actually behind, it's late. Shout out to real haunted items as well, but this is the first time I've had a problem with them being late, so hopefully I get that soon. If I don't, I'm gonna try to get my money back for sure. But anyways, love y'all. Peace out.